Yesterday was a day where a lot of volatility was seen in the market, typical of an expiry day. So we got chances to do both long and short. That was a good day. So today, the key levels for Nifty are 25,205 and 25,100. So these two levels will form the most important support and resistance for Nifty today. So it appears from the gift Nifty that we'll have a huge gap up. So good chance that Nifty will open somewhere here and then hit 25,280 and then may come down to 25,200 before the next move up. So in such a case, we should wait for the market to settle and give a candlestick pattern somewhere around here in this region. If it can give us a nice bullish candlestick pattern, then we can go long for 25,280 and 25,350. On the other hand, if market starts breaking 25,100 and starts falling, it will fall to 25,101, 25,015 and 24,925. So markets were very volatile yesterday, but if you look at the daily chart, it's still very bullish. There is no sign of anything happening, and especially in yesterday's candle, if you look at it, it's a very bullish candle. So after rolling the candle, you've got a bullish confirmation, so the natural progression should be up. So that's the trading plan. Look for support areas and a positive candlestick to go along for targets of 25,280 and 25,350. So have a great trading day, and please do like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.